Venmo allows users to transfer money to themselves, which can be useful for moving funds between accounts or accessing cash from your Venmo balance. Here's how to Venmo yourself money. Open the app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device and log into your account. Initiate payment. Tap on the Pay or Request button located at the bottom of the screen. Enter your details. In the search bar, enter your own username, phone number or email address associated with your Venmo account. Enter amount. Enter the amount you want to transfer to yourself. You can also add a note to the transaction if desired. Choose payment method. Select the payment method you want to use for the transaction. You can choose to pay using your Venmo balance, linked bank account, or debit card. Review and confirm. Double-check the transaction details, including the payment amount and payment method. Tap on the Pay button to confirm the transaction. Confirmation. Once the transaction is confirmed, you will receive a notification confirming the transfer of funds to yourself.